Welcome. As of today, there are 3 cars that are considered to be Porsche's modern hypercars. Please like this video and subscribe for more. The Porsche 918 Spyder has 887 horsepower and goes from 0 to 60 in a crazy 2.2 seconds. This car has a Spyder top and a hybrid electric drivetrain. This car has a limited production run of, well, you guessed it, 918 units. This crazy car was produced between 2014 and 2015. The 918 Spyder has a crazy reputation and is absolutely considered a hypercar. At one point, the Stradman was considering this to be his new hypercar. With a price tag closer to the $1 million, this is more affordable than its price new. The Porsche Carrera GT is considered to be the last analog hypercars and one of the 3 modern hypercars. The Carrera GT has 605 horsepower and goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds. This amazing car has quite a legacy. Please leave a comment down below telling me if you still consider the Carrera GT a true hypercar or just a supercar now. These cars have a price tag of somewhere between around $500,000 or upwards towards $1 million. These awesome cars were produced between 2004 and 2007 and around 1,270 units were made. This car was also an original option for the Stradman. The Porsche 959 had held the fastest production car records for a brief amount of time before the Ferrari F40 had come out and took power the record. This car had 450 horsepower from the factory and an original 0 to 60 time of 3.7 seconds. This car is currently selling for around $1.3 million. These cars were made between 1986 and 1993. Only 337 units were produced. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed learning all about Porsche's 3 modern hypercars. Here are all of the URLs to the photos used in this video. Please like this video and subscribe for more.